Top 5 stretching routines for enhanced recovery.
Looking to recover faster and improve your flexibility after workouts? Here are the top stretching routines designed to boost muscle recovery, ease soreness, and increase your range of motion. These routines are simple, effective, and suitable for all fitness levels. Let's explore each one and learn how they support your body's recovery process.
1. Dynamic stretching routine.
Dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body through a full range of motion. Examples include leg swings, arm circles, and walking lunges. This routine warms up your muscles, increases blood flow, and prepares your body for exercise. Incorporating dynamic stretches helps reduce the risk of injury and speeds up post-exercise recovery.
2. Full body static stretch routine.
Static stretching focuses on holding stretches for 20 to 30 seconds without movement. Common static stretches include hamstring stretches, quad stretches, and shoulder stretches. This routine helps lengthen muscles, relieve tension, and improve overall flexibility, making it especially effective after workouts when your muscles are warm.
3. Yoga-based stretching routine.
Yoga-inspired stretches like downward dog, child's pose, and cobra target both flexibility and relaxation. Practicing this routine regularly can help reduce muscle stiffness, improve mobility, and promote relaxation. Many people find yoga stretches to be effective for both mental and physical recovery after intense exercise.
4. Foam rolling and myofascial release.
Foam rolling combines self-massage with gentle stretching. Rolling out muscles like the calves, quads, and back helps to break up muscle knots and increase blood circulation. This routine can speed up recovery, reduce muscle soreness, and prepare your body for your next workout.
5. PNF stretching routine.
Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, or PNF stretching, involves contracting and relaxing muscles while stretching. A classic example is the contract-relax hamstring stretch. This approach has been shown to improve flexibility more effectively than static stretching alone, making it a great choice for those seeking advanced recovery techniques.
Incorporate stretching for better recovery.
Including these stretching routines in your fitness regimen can make a big difference in how your body recovers. Regular stretching fights muscle tightness, boosts flexibility, and promotes quicker recovery after exercise. Try a few routines and notice how your body feels more prepared and refreshed after each workout session.